Hello, this video tutorial will focus on how to access the individual benchmark reports for A Math and A Reading within the FAST assessment system. The individual benchmark report is a historical report that displays a graph with screening scores across screening periods and school years. This is a great report to view a student's growth over extended periods of time and to compare them to the benchmark. We begin on the screen that will show up after you log into FAST. This is a demo site we can use so that the names of teachers and students won't be recognizable. You see over the top, these are the different options we always have on that opening screen. We're going to go over here to reporting. And then what you'll notice is many of the reports you see when you go there. We're going to begin over here underneath intervention and monitoring. There's a group of reports that are clumped together like that. And we'll click on the individual benchmark report. Then from within here, we will start with A Reading. You can choose again any of the assessments that we have available to us will show up. A Math is right here as well. Come down here and we'll use Brianna's Sandbox. Instead of the grade-wide, just Brianna's students that she has in her classes, and you click Generate Report. And then what you see here is student by student, and these all fit on one page. So as you scroll down, it looks, each student, you're not sure how much room it's going to take up, but they all print on one page, which is very nice. But here's the first student, and you see first, again, that graph that shows the student's score over time. Now in this example here only has one score for spring, and you see when I hover over it, it shows the student's score, and then it also shows the category or risk for each of the benchmark areas. So, and if she had more scores, it would show over time how her scores have moved through the different achievement levels. As you scroll down then, you'll see that the actual numerical values show up. So in the spring it was 543 was her score. And then you see each of the benchmark thresholds as well. And then you get down here to percentiles, where we'll see here, and for our students, we'll see school percentile and district percentile, as well as the national. And then always helpful are the color coding legend down here that would indicate where those colors line up with the different percentile ranks for low risk, some risk, high risk, or least risk. But that's really it. It's a one-page document. I would say it prints off pretty nice if you go up here to print report. You usually get this pop-up that just tells you some information on how to print it so that it looks the best. But as you print, you'll see that each student has a one-page document then with their own student graph, and then all the numerical values that come with it and the coloring to go along with the legend. So again, this is the individual benchmark report. It's a historical report that shows the students' scores over time. It's a great way to look at student growth and performance in relation to their benchmarks.